Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to make a basic Photoshop. Firstly, you need Adobe Photoshop CS6 and some files to edit. Now open it. Then open the first file and click the face selection tool. Then select what you want to cut. Right click and click to cut the layer. Then delete the background. When you finish it, save the new file as a PNG file. Then open the second file to paste it. And click this. Click to this. Then place it. You can if you want to add something. I will add one more thing. Then you can use the patch tool to make it cleaner. And you can add text to your file to make it better. That's enough. See you later.